Welcome to the fascinating world of Jupiter. Imagine a planet so immense that you could fit 1,000 Earths inside it. That's Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. It's not just big, it's ancient, having formed from the remnants of the Sun's birth 4.5 billion years ago. Despite its size, Jupiter holds a surprising record, the shortest day in the solar system, spinning on its axis in just 10.5 hours. Join me as we explore this incredible planet of extremes. Jupiter's iconic stripes and swirls are actually cold, windy clouds of ammonia and water, drifting in an atmosphere dominated by hydrogen and helium. The dark orange stripes, known as belts, and the lighter bands, called zones, flow east and west in opposite directions. And then there's the Great Red Spot, a colossal storm larger than Earth that has been raging for hundreds of years. Jupiter, the king of planets, was named after the king of the gods in Roman mythology. Fittingly, most of its moons bear the names of mythological characters linked to Jupiter or his Greek counterpart, Zeus. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, fittingly takes its name from Jupiter, the king of the ancient Roman gods. This grand namesake reflects the planet's immense size and majestic presence in the sky. Jupiter's environment is likely inhospitable to life as we know it. The planet's extreme temperatures, high pressures, and volatile materials create conditions too harsh for organisms to survive. However, while Jupiter itself may be unsuitable for life, some of its moons tell a different story. Europa, one of Jupiter's many moons, is considered one of the most promising places to find life beyond Earth. Evidence suggests a vast ocean lies beneath Europa's icy crust, where conditions might be suitable to support life. Jupiter boasts an impressive radius of nearly 44,000 miles, making it 11 times wider than Earth. To put that into perspective, if Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be as big as a basketball. Located an average distance of 484 million miles from the Sun, Jupiter is about 5.2 astronomical units away. 1 AU is the distance from the Sun to Earth. From this vast distance, it takes sunlight approximately 43 minutes to travel from the Sun to Jupiter. With 4 large moons and many smaller ones, Jupiter forms a kind of miniature solar system. Jupiter has 95 moons officially recognized by the International Astronomical Union. The 4 largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, were first observed by astronomer Galileo Galilei in 1610 using an early telescope. These moons, known as the Galilean satellites, are some of the most fascinating destinations in our solar system. Io, the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than the planet Mercury. Callisto, its few small craters suggest minimal current surface activity. Europa likely hosts a liquid water ocean beneath its frozen crust, making it a prime target for NASA's Europa Clipper mission, set to launch in 2024. Jupiter's rings, discovered unexpectedly by NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft in 1979, are a fascinating feature of the giant planet. Composed of small dark particles, these rings are almost invisible, except when backlit by the Sun. Data from the Galileo spacecraft suggests that Jupiter's ring system may have formed from dust kicked up as interplanetary meteoroids collide with the planet's small innermost moons. Jupiter formed around 4.5 billion years ago, alongside the rest of the solar system. Gravity pulled together swirling gas and dust to create this gas giant. Jupiter accumulated most of the mass left over after the Sun's formation, ultimately comprising more than twice the combined material of all other bodies in the solar system. Despite having the same ingredients as a star, Jupiter did not become massive enough to ignite. Approximately 4 billion years ago, Jupiter settled into its current position in the outer solar system, becoming the 5th planet from the Sun. Jupiter's composition is similar to that of the Sun, primarily hydrogen and helium. As we delve deeper into the atmosphere, pressure and temperature rise, compressing hydrogen gas into a liquid. This creates the largest ocean in the solar system, an ocean made of liquid hydrogen. Scientists believe that at depths halfway to the planet's center, the pressure becomes so intense that electrons are stripped from hydrogen atoms, making the liquid electrically conductive like metal. Jupiter's rapid rotation is thought to drive electrical currents in this region, with the spinning liquid metallic hydrogen acting like a dynamo, generating the planet's powerful magnetic field. Jupiter's central core has long been a mystery. Initially, scientists theorized that Jupiter was a mostly homogeneous mix of hydrogen and helium gases surrounding a small solid core of heavier elements, ice, rock, and metal, formed from debris and small objects in the embryonic solar system 4 billion years ago. However, NASA's Juno spacecraft, which measures Jupiter's gravity and magnetic field, has provided data suggesting that the core is much larger than previously expected and not solid. Instead, it appears to be partially dissolved, with no clear boundary from the surrounding metallic hydrogen. This led researchers to describe the core as dilute or fuzzy. As a gas giant, Jupiter lacks a true surface. The planet is composed mostly of swirling gases and liquids. While a spacecraft would have nowhere to land on Jupiter, attempting to fly through its atmosphere would be equally perilous. The extreme pressures and temperatures deep within the planet would crush, melt, and vaporize any spacecraft attempting to penetrate it. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the wonders of Jupiter. From its colossal size and powerful storms to its intriguing moons and mysterious core, Jupiter truly is a planet of extremes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting explorations of our incredible solar system. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.